Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Hope you are keeping well. Yes, Alhamdulillah, I am also very well. My dear students, you know I have already taken some important online classes for you. And once again, I am here with you with another important online class. But my dear students, especially you who hadn't actually joined in my previous classes, let me introduce with you. I am Farif Hussain, lecturer in English, Mahazanpur College, Kushinagar, Meherpur. Dear students, let's get ready for today's class. And the name of the topic of today's class is same as before, that means changing sentence. So my dear students, first of all, just have a look on the board. Here I have already mentioned some words and important sentences here to make you clear about all these things I have already mentioned. So first of all, let's see the learning outcomes of today's class. Actually, at the end of the class, you will be able to learn about interchange of assertive sentence and exclamatory sentence and vice versa. That means, at the end of the class, you will be able to learn how to transform an assertive sentence into interrogative one. Okay? So, dear students, let's start. At first, you need to know all these rules in short form. Dear students, this is assertive and this is exclamatory. And the rules number 1, it is a matter of joy that if there is, it is a matter of joy that in an assertive sentence, then it will be hurrah instead of it is a matter of joy that. And then you have to put a note of exclamation and then you have to write the extension of the sentence. Okay? So, let's see the example number 1 or the rules of number 1. Dear students, there is an assertive sentence here and it is a matter of joy that we have won the game. So dear students, here it is a matter of joy that, and it expresses some joyful emotion. So we can use hurrah instead of it is a matter of joy that. So we can use here hurrah, and then we have to put a note of exclamation here. And then we have to write the extension of the sentence. We have won the game. Okay? Then we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So dear students, I think this is clear to you. I repeat it. If there is, it is a matter of joy that in an assertive sentence, then it will be hurrah instead of it is a matter of joy that. Then you have to use note of exclamation and then you have to write the extension of the sentence we have on the game. This is an exclamatory sentence. Clear? So, my dear students, now look at example number 2 for the rules of number 2. Here, the rules number 2, it is a matter of sorrow that. Sorrow, so it is a matter of sorrow that if there is, it is a matter of sorrow that in an assertive sentence, then it will be alas. It will be alas in place of it is a matter of sorrow that. And then we have to put an exclamatory sign and then we have to write extension of the sentence. Okay, just look at example number 2. It is a matter of sorrow that actually this assertive sentence expresses a sorrowful expression here, and so we have to use alas. We have to use alas, and then we have to put a note of exclamation here, and then we have to write the extension of the sentence. He is no more. He is no more. Okay. So, dear students, if it is a matter of sorrow that in an assertive sentence, then we have to alas to make it exclamatory in place of it is a matter of joy that it is a matter of sorrow that. It is a matter of sorrow that we have to use alas in place of it is a matter of sorrow that, and then we have to write the extension of the sentence. So it will be alas, he is no more. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Then my dear students, now look at the rules number 3. It is shameful that, or it is a matter of shame that. It is shameful that, or it is a matter of shame that. Actually, if it is shameful that, or it is a matter of shame that in an assertive sentence, then we have to use 5 in place of it is a matter of shame that, or it is shameful that. Okay. So dear students, now look at example number 3, the rules of number 3. It is shameful that, or we can use here it is a matter of shame that, the same thing. So he is a thief. It is shameful that he is a thief. So if we make it exclamatory, we can use here it is shameful that 5. We can use 5 in place of it is shameful that, and then we have to write the extension of the sentence. He is a thief. Okay, it is very easy for you. So dear students, if it is a matter of joy that, you have to use Buddha in place of these words. If there is a matter of sorrow that, you have to use alas in place of these words. And if it is it is shameful that, or it is a matter of shame that in an assertive sentence, you have to use 5 in place of these words. Okay. So my dear students, look at rules number 4. Here, subject plus wish plus subject plus where and then extension. If there is subject plus wish, then you can use if in place of subject plus wish. You can use if in place of subject plus wish and then extension. And then you have to put a note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. Okay. So look at example number 4. Here, I wish I were a doctor. Here there is a subject I, and there is wish, and I were. Dear students, subject plus wish, subject plus were. Here subject plus wish here. So we have to use if in place of subject plus wish, and then we have to write the extension of the sentence. If I were a doctor, and then we have to put a note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. Okay. Dear students, now see rules number 5. Here subject plus wish plus subject plus school. Subject plus wish plus subject plus school. Dear students, If there is subject plus is and subject plus could, you can make it exclamatory just like this way. You can use if instead of subject plus which, or you can use would that instead of in place of subject plus which. Either of these you can use if or would that in place of subject plus which. Look at example number 5 for the rules of 5. Here I wish I could be a teacher. I wish I could be a teacher. So we can use here in place of subject plus wish if अथवा or would that. If or would that, you can use either of these two. And then extension of the sentence, I could be a teacher. I could be a teacher. Okay. And then we have to use a note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. Now students, now look at rules number 6. Subject plus which plus subject plus had. Here subject plus which, subject plus had. And if there is subject plus which and subject plus had, we have to use if in place of subject plus which to make it exclamatory. So my dear students, look at example number 6. Here I wish I had been a child again. So we can use here if I had been a child again. Here we can use if in place of subject plus which, and then the rest of the sentence we have to write. So dear students, I think it is very clear to you, and these rules are very easy for you, I think. And now, my dear students, if there is no above mentioned rules, that means rules number from rules number 1 to 6, if there is no above mentioned rules in an assertive sentence, how you can make that assertive sentence into an exclamatory one. Now, dear students, notice here A oblique N what? And no A oblique N how? Dear students, it means if there is no above mentioned rules in an assertive sentence, so you have to notice that whether there is an indefinite article A oblique N, A or N in that sentence or not. If there is an indefinite article A or N in an assertive sentence, then you have to use what? You have to start what to make it exclamatory sentence. And if there is no indefinite article in an assertive sentence, then you have to start that exclamatory sentence with how. Okay. So dear students, look at example number 7. She is a very intelligent girl. She is a very intelligent girl. Here there is indefinite and indefinite article A just after a verb. So you have to use, or we can make it exclamatory just like this way. We have to use it as there is an indefinite article here, so we have to start the exclamatory sentence with what? What? There is an article here, and so we have to use what to make it exclamatory. and then we have to arrange other words just like this way. Just after verb, we have to notice that if there are some words very, quite, or great, these words we have to remove from an assertive sentence. Here there is very, we have to remove it to make it an exclamatory sentence. So, what are intelligent? What are intelligent girl? And then subject and verb. She is. And then exclamatory sign. Here, just see here, my dear students. Here there is the article a, and this word is intelligent, and this word actually starts with a vowel. And so, if there is a vowel at the very beginning of a word, then we have to use here and. We have to use here and. Here will be the and if there is a vowel at the very beginning of a word. So it will be and. Clear? So what an intelligent girl she is. It is an exclamatory word. So my dear students, look at number 8. Similarly, we can make it an exclamatory word just like number 7. Here there is an article here, an indefinite article here, and so we have to start it with what, and then we have to remove very from here. Miserable life, and then subject, and then verb, and then note of exclamation at the very end of the sentence. Okay, what a miserable life he is. Dear students, now look at number 9. Here the girl sings very sweetly. Now students, actually there is no indefinite article here in this sentence, and so we have to start it with how to make it exclamatory. We have to start with how to make it exclamatory, as there is no indefinite article here. So how, and then we have to remove it. How sweetly, and then the subject, the girl, and then verb. Sings. How sweetly the girl sings. It is an exclamatory word. So, my dear students, look at another example, number 10. The mountain is very high. It will, we can make it an exclamatory sentence just like number 9, because there is no indefinite article in this sentence, and so we can start it with how to make it exclamatory. How, and then we have to remove it very, how high, and then the subject, the mountain, and then verb. That is exclamatory sign. Okay. Look at another one. He is grateful. Here there is an indefinite article here, and so we have to start it with what, and then we have to remove it, great. So what a fool he is. Clear? I think it is very clear to you. It is very simple for you. Dear students, she is a great singer. It is just like number 11. Here there is an indefinite article here, so we have to start it with what, and then we have to remove great. What a singer she is. Okay. The students, I think I have been able to make it clear about all these rules with these examples. I think it is very clear to you. So, my dear students, if we transform an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence, that means if we think conversely, then just look at these examples. Here, the girl sings very sweetly. So, actually, how sweetly the girl sings, it is an exclamatory one. So, we have to make it an assertive. So, assertive sentence, start with a subject. So, we have to start with subject, the girl, and then verb sings, and then very before a verb or an adjective, and great before a noun. So very and then extension. Very sweetly. The girl sings very sweetly. So if we make an assertive sentence, actually if we make an assertive sentence into an exclamatory one, it will be possible for us to make an exclamatory sentence, to make an assertive sentence from an exclamatory sentence. Okay. So, my dear students, I think it is clear to you, and that's all for today's class. My dear students, but if you have a question about all these things, you can write that question in the comment box in my personal Facebook ID or in our college page named Mazapur College, and inshallah I will try to answer that question. Okay, so dear students, no more today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.